So here's your timeline to your offer. What I want you to figure out is you're going to calculate how much time you have to present to your main offer. And what I mean by that is when somebody opts into your world, how long do you have before you present your main offer? And this could be where you have like a 1-day event or a 3-day event or some kind of something where you're presenting to the client. It could even be before they book their first one-on-one call with you. But traditionally, when would you present that offer, right? And there's different stages that they might go through. I'm just going to show you an example of what could happen here. So you have your opt-in gift. This is one of the PSPSs that I enjoy the best because this is a way for you to really wow your prospective client to get a sense of who you are and what you do. I mentioned earlier about the client who had the 200-page nutrition book that was it was not written for anybody, just a basic book for anybody. So that's not the way to wow your client. First of all, nobody's going to read a 200-page book that's generic. We all have different nutritional needs and so forth. So the gift needs to be relevant to your main offer. And the reason is because, for example, for me, I've been in sales and marketing for years and years. If I just put out a generic top 10 tips for marketing, that doesn't necessarily speak to my main offer, right? I want to make it something that's relevant to my main offer. You want to have it solve a problem, usually just one problem, and something that can be consumed quickly. That's why checklists and templates are so popular. People can take them and insert them into their business straight away. And it's very helpful. They're like, wow, I got to use this right away. It solved my problem. And now, there's that little bit of trust factor that comes in for you, right? Next time, I'm going to go into this a little bit more when we get into the content further, but I use something that I call the Ninja thank you page. That is, I don't give away the opt-in gift on the thank you page. I don't know if you've heard this before or not, but this is something I've used for years and years with myself and my clients. I always give it away in the email. So the page looks something like this. Thank you for requesting your copy of whatever the name of your opt-in gift is. Please check your email in about 10 minutes. It's zooming through the universe to your inbox or whatever, however you would say it. And then you're going to present something else on the thank you page. Remember how I mentioned earlier, you're going to use that call to action every step of the way, right? So on your thank you page, you're going to present them with a call to action. It could be anything, like it could be a one-on-one call with you. Maybe have a video of yourself thanking them and etc. and free call, book here and whatever. Or it could be the next step is a webinar or workshop, which is what I've presented here. Maybe you've got a webinar coming up or a workshop. And again, it should be related to your offer, solving a problem from your main offer. And you'd be surprised at how many people will sign up for that webinar or workshop right on that thank you page. They've just downloaded something, but if it's related, then they're going to go, oh, well, I just opted in for this really cool thing. And now they have a whole webinar on that exact same topic. They're probably going to opt in. But if they don't, that's okay, because now you have them on your email list and you can keep reminding them that you've got that webinar or workshop coming up. Okay. And then, of course, you've got your nurture emails. We all know about that. Once they opt in, they're going to start getting emails from you, positioning yourself as the expert, what you do, why you're qualified to give this information, et cetera, right? All along the way, you're solving these micro problems with your solution, okay? Use as many PS as you need to get to your main offer.